Civil danger alert for Walker County, Texas. There have been multiple reports of people suddenly disappearing without explanation. Those who have returned have committed multiple crimes that may pose a danger to public safety. They have also made claims that time has stopped for anywhere between 12 hours to 13 years. The Texas Department of Criminal Justice believes this may be a case of mass psychogenic illness, or mass hysteria, which is where large amounts of people develop delusions. Police forces are being sent to control the situation. For now, keep track of the behaviors and whereabouts of yourself and those around you. We will now return to normal programming.